be drawing one connecting to your forehead and your edges. Like, come on. Like, we want to know how you actually feel. If you're just out here, you want to be angry, but your eyebrows looking surprised. Like, come on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lindy, aka Miss Way, and I have come to you guys with a new video. I was actually about to take my hair down, and I decided, you know what, this is actually the perfect hair for the video that I'm trying to record right now. So yeah, a couple of days ago I was strolling through Instagram and I saw this video of this auntie, you know, wearing like the typical African auntie makeup, and I just wanted to recreate this look. This is not me coming for anyone's auntie or anything, but you know, I just thought it would be a funny video to record. Yeah, so just stay tuned. And what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, our aunties have leveled up. You know, like I said, I'm not coming for anyone's auntie. Most of our aunties are doing good in the makeup department right now, so yeah, I'm loving that. But okay, so I just put my contacts on, and boy oh boy was this hard. I have these hazel ones. I can't really see, which is perfect for this makeup look. Yeah, so we're gonna use this CC cream from Mary Kay. You know, this is the proper stuff to use for this video. If your auntie doesn't have Mary Kay, she's not a proper African auntie, okay? So we're just gonna put this on. Yeah, you have to make sure that the foundation is like 50 shades lighter than your actual age, than your actual shade. You need to be casket ready. So you're just gonna paint it on your face. Just paint. Oh my gosh, I hope my face does not break out from this. Okay, we're back in action. So, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal my under eye because that's just me and I don't want to look sleepy. So, just to make it worse. And I'm gonna use my hand for that too. I hope this makeup is not expired because I'm really gonna be... Okay, I'm back. So now we're gonna use this powder and we're gonna use a mixture of these two. That looks good. So now we are gonna move to my favorite part, which is brows. Our aunties can get pretty creative with this part. I don't know, they're just artists when it comes to this part. So we're gonna take our black pencil. It can be black or red. This lady in particular had a black liner. You're just gonna start here and just disregard your natural brow. Disregard it. Just draw that like that. Look at that. You're gonna do that to the next brow. You want to just confuse your children in the process, you know. They must never know if you're happy or sad or surprised. Just the McDonald's sign. Okay? Okay. Yes, sis. And let me tell you, the aunties that do their makeup like this, they be so confident. Yo, I want their confidence. Actually, if to wear makeup like this, you have to be confident. You can't just... And when you try to tell them like, auntie, let me just help you fix your brow a little bit, they'll tell you, what? My brow looks good. What are you talking about? This brow is nice. It's beautiful. And we're gonna use this shimmer. Actually, we're gonna use one of these little blending things that come with your makeup, that come with your eyeshadow when you buy eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use this and just smudge it all over my eye. Zoom in so you can see that. Just plaster the whole thing on your eye. This is the color for weddings too. You'll be wearing this to weddings and they have their nice outfit on. Just take it a little high too. You just need to be glistening from the time you just walk into the event, you know? Need to be shining like a diamond. Oh, it's plaster it. I'm gonna move on to the next one. And most of the time, the aunties that are wearing this makeup are the ones that are always worried about when you're gonna get married. For real. Or what your next degree is. They're like, you just have 1 degree. Take that same eyeliner and we're just gonna put it under our eyes. There we go. Now we're gonna move on to blush. Okay? You wanna take your most red, your most pigmented blush, and you just wanna stack it up on your face. And I'm just gonna flash through my whole face with this thing. Everyone must ask you where you got your blush from. Oh! Just have to color block with your makeup and color block with your clothes too. Okay. I don't look too bad, you guys. I really don't. Oh my gosh, I have 2 breakouts coming in. Do y'all see this? Should I just wipe my face off right now? Okay, I think that's enough. So now we're gonna move on to eyelashes. You wanna take those AliExpress cheap lashes. I don't think I know how to put on lashes on camera, but I'm gonna try. Why do our aunties sing with the shaking voice? Like, what? And they'll be so loud. Like, yo, you can't just sing like regular. I used to use the CC cream under my eye for a highlight. That was back, like, this is CC cream from probably 2016. That's the best that I could do. Yeah. So now we're gonna move on to lips. This lady also had a metallic color on her lips, and I just don't have that. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips up with a black lip liner, the same one that I use for my brows. Okay guys, I'm back. My battery died, so yeah. We're gonna move on to the lip color. So I'm gonna take this red right here. I don't even know where I got this palette from, but I have, oh, it's from Ulta. And we're just gonna add it. So we're gonna go back to that same LA girl. We're gonna take this brown right here. Just draw one line going down like this on your nose. Okay guys, I think this completes the look. Hope that you guys enjoy this video. This right here literally needs to stop. And I'm literally not coming for anybody. This is like a funny video, you know. I appreciate my aunties. You know, every church has this auntie. Every wedding that you go to has this auntie. And I love my aunties, you know, but sometimes I be going to these weddings like literally looking for a wipe, just cringing, like, auntie, let me just help you wipe the remaining of your eyebrow, because this is not it. Like, you actually do have eyebrows. Like, don't be drawing one connecting to your forehead and your edges. Like, come on. Like, we want to know how you actually feel. If you're just out here, you want to be angry, but your eyebrows looking surprised, like, come on. Yeah, this honestly needs to change. I'm about to take out my hair. I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. I broke out. I'm about to wash my face and do a mask. This is all for YouTube. I'm not talking about anybody's auntie. I don't know anyone close to me who, you know, does this. I don't know. Like, it's send them this video. Okay guys, I'm actually about to call one of my friends. I don't know if she'll think I'm serious with this look or what, so let's see. Hello. Why did you look at me? It was a clown. Why did you look at me like that?
What is wrong with you?
This is my new look.
No, seriously. Are you filming?
No, this is like, you know, to match my hair.
You know what?
Makeup.
What kind of makeup?
I just wanted to try something different.
How different you trying to be? Outstanding.
Trying to stand out in the crowd.
Yeah, you'd be standing out.
I'm not coming for anybody, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe, send it to your friends, your family, that auntie, your enemies, you know, just share it and like don't be this auntie. All right, thank you guys. Bye bye.